Wow, Philippines! Nadagit natin ang Guinness Book of Record sa unity, no? Grabe, sa Pilipinas, sa pagkakaisa nating lahat, no? At sana naman din maiwasan nating nag-aaway-away tayong mga Pilipino dahil nga dito pa lang meron tayong award, no? Sa Guinness Book of Record na nagsasama-sama tayo. Tapos yung kabaliktaran pala ay nagkawatak-watak. Ano ba talaga itong panalo natin na ito? Sana nga tuloy-tuloy na itong unity na ito, no? At panoorin natin, comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel po ang Wow Philippines.
The Philippines holds various Guinness World Records that showcase the talent and unity of Filipinos. Here are some of the most notable records. Recent Guinness World Records of the Philippines. Largest gathering of people dressed as angels. On December 14th, 2024, over 2,000 people in San Rafael, Bulacan, gathered wearing angel costumes, breaking Canada's previous record, set in 2015. Largest chicken-shaped building. The Campuesto Han Highland Resort in Negros Occidental built a six-story chicken-shaped building, standing 114 feet tall, officially recognized as the world's largest on September 8, 2024. Largest origami shark and star display. In October 2024, LIF Cebu City presented 12,749 origami sharks, while LIF Malate Manila displayed 100,000 origami stars, both setting Guinness World Records. Largest simultaneous bamboo plant planting in multiple locations. In October 2024, the Philippines set a record for the largest number of people planting bamboo simultaneously across various locations.
O, tingnan nyo ha, nakikita ng buong mundo ng Guinness Book of Record ang ginagawa natin na kagandahan at kabutihan sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Oh, what can you say about this, no? Dahil tayong mga Pilipino ay dapat magkaisa at magsama-sama, hindi dapat nagkawatak-watak na merong magkakalabang panig. Dapat tayo ay magkaisa talaga dito at magsama-sama. Dahil nga tingnan nyo naman yan, no? Nakikitaan tayo ng unity ng Guinness Book of Record. Ano ba naman itong mga taong ito? Itigil natin yung mga awayan na yan. Sundin natin ang gobyernong ito, no, kay PBBM. Ako hindi ko totally binoto yan, pero sinusunod natin dapat, no, kasi siya ang presidente ngayon. Hindi, wag nating kalabanin yan kasi nga nandito tayo sa Pilipinas, dapat minamahal natin ang gobyerno natin na nandito sa Pilipinas. Minamahal natin, hindi natin kinasusuklaman yan. Suportahan natin ang ating gobyerno sa Pilipinas dahil siya yung nagpapatakbo ng Pilipinas. Ano? At nakikitaan tayo ng unity sa ating bansa, no?
Locations. Largest Rondalla Ensemble. In 2024, the Philippines achieved a Guinness World Record for the largest Rondalla Ensemble performance. Largest serving of balut. The town of Pateros set a record for the largest serving of balut, weighing 117.5 kg. Largest gong ensemble. On February 2023, 3,440 people in Tabuk, Kalinga performed the largest gong ensemble in the world. Largest banga dance. During the same event in Tabuk, Kalinga, 4,681 people participated in the largest banga dance, balancing clay pots on their heads while dancing. Largest attendance at a FIBA Basketball World Cup game. On August 25th, 2023, 38,000.
Tingnan nyo nananalo tayo sa mga ganitong mga patimpalak, no? No? Dapat ipagmamalaki natin ang Pilipinas. Dapat yan pa lang no? Dapat pinagmamalaki natin yan. Proud ka dapat na bilang Pilipino ka. Hindi ka ibang lahi, no? Hindi ka Incheck, hindi ka Amerikano, hindi ka kung anumang lahi yan. Pilipino ka. Kahit anong lahi man yan, kung half Pilipino ka pa rin, ay dapat mo itong tanggapin na proud ka dahil nanalo tayo sa mga patimpalak na ito, no? At nakikitaan ng Guinness Book of Record. Dapat hindi tayo nagkakawatak-watak mga Pilipino, magsama-sama tayo dapat. O, tingnan nyo.
115 of fans attended the FIBA Basketball World Cup game at the Philippine Arena, setting the record for the highest attendance in tournament history. Most people dropping phones simultaneously. Honor Philippines set a Guinness World Record for the most people dropping phones from arm height at the same time. Most simultaneous Mentos and soda explosions. In the SM Mall of Asia complex, 2,865 people simultaneously dropped Mentos into soda bottles, creating fountains and breaking a new record. Most fireworks launched in 30 seconds. In May
Grabe, oh,
2010,
ganda, oh. Sa
Cebu
Cebu.
set a record by launching 125,801 fireworks rockets in just 30 seconds. Smallest man in the world, Junrei Balawing from Sindangan, Philippines, was recognized as the world's smallest living man in
Oh.
2011, measuring only 59.93 centimeters, 23.5 inches. Largest banknote ever
Ang
issued.
liit.
In 1998, the Philippines released the largest banknote, measuring 356 mm cx 216 mm, with a denomination of P100,000. Largest indoor arena, the Philippine Arena in Bocaue, Bulacan, has a seating capacity of 51,929 and an area of 5,715 square meters, making it the largest indoor arena in the world.
Oh,
Largest shopping mall by gross
in the world. Arena. Oh, largest indoor, oh. Arena in the world. Grabe, no? Nandito pala sa Pilipinas yan. Amakin mo. Dito pala sa Pilipinas. Grabe.
Largest indoor arena in the world. Largest shopping mall by gross leasable area, SM City North, EDSA in Quezon City, has a gross leasable area of 498,000 square meters, making it one of the largest malls in the world.
Oh,
Tallest twin towers in
totoo ba to? Hindi ba Mall of Asia na ano? Kundi SM North, SM North, EDSA ang pinakamalawak na mall sa buong mundo. Kasi nga, di ba dalawa yan, no? Malapad yan eh. Grabe, may annex pa, no? SM Annex. Siya yung pinaka-largest mall in the world. Hindi ang Mall of Asia. North EDSA pala. Grabe, no? Sa Guinness Book of Record yun. Grabe.
the world. Tallest twin towers in the Philippines. One Shangri-La Place Towers in Mandaluyong stand at 227 meters, recognized as the tallest twin buildings in the country.
Grabe.
Tallest building in the Philippines. The Grand Hyatt Manila in Taguig is the
Taguig.
tallest building in the Philippines,
Ooh.
standing at 318
Hyatt
meters.
Manila.
Filipino legends in Guinness World Records. Manny
Oh,
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Most boxing world
Diba?
titles in different weight classes. Show clips of his boxing victories. Manny Pacman.
Tingnan nyo nandito sa Pilipinas yung mga ganyang mga klaseng produkto at mga buildings, mga malalaking indoor arena, mall natin. Hindi nyo ba sapat na maliligayahan kayo dyan? Dapat you are proud to be a Filipino. Dahil tayo ang may mga ganitong bagay sa Pilipinas at nakakapasok sa Guinness Book of Record. Tapos ngayon, nagkawatak-watak. Dapat tigil na natin yung away-away na yan, sumunod na tayo sa ating gobyerno, no?
Manny Pacquiao is a legend in the boxing world. He holds the Guinness World Record for being the only boxer in history to win world titles in 8 different weight divisions.
Grabe, no?
His incredible achievements solidify his status as one of the greatest boxers of all time. Efren Bata Reyes, most titles won in pool, billiards, show clips of his greatest shots. The magician Efren Bata Reyes is considered the greatest pool player of all
Grabe.
time. He holds a Guinness World Record for the most world titles won in pool, having dominated international tournaments for
Grabe, no?
decades. His legendary trick shots and strategic gameplay have inspired pool players worldwide.
Grabe, no?
Basketball records of the Philippines in Guinness World Records. 1. Largest basketball tournament, Manila, 2014. Show clips of a massive basketball event. Host. We all know that basketball is more than just a sport in the Philippines. It's a way of life. In 2014, the Philippines set the Guinness World Record for the largest basketball tournament, with an incredible 32,612 players participating in a nationwide
Grabe.
competition. Most
Dami.
people dribbling a basketball simultaneously. Manila,
Ayun,
2014.
grabe.
Show thousands of people dribbling a basketball. Host. Another basketball record was made in Manila in 2014, when 7,556 Filipinos dribbled a basketball simultaneously. This event showed just how deep the love for basketball runs in Filipino culture. 3. Highest attendance in a FIBA Basketball World Cup
Grabe,
game. Philippine Arena, 2023. Show
Puno.
the packed Philippine Arena during
Punong-puno.
the event. Host. In August 2023, Filipino basketball fans proved their passion once again by setting the record for the highest attendance in a FIBA Basketball World Cup game. A total of 38,115 fans packed the Philippine Arena to witness the historic opening game of the tournament. Conclusion. From cultural traditions to sports, architecture, and individual brilliance, Filipinos continue to break records and inspire the world. Which of these achievements amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible
Ba? Hamakin mo? Ibang bansa pa ang nagre-report ng ating panalo na tayo ay may pinakamaganda, malalaking lugar, achievement dito sa Pilipinas. Proud ka talaga dyan. Mapaproud ka talaga dyan. Kaya sana, please comment down below kayo, like and subscribe kung ikaw ay isang proud Pilipino. I-like nyo po, i-subscribe nyo po, yan na po ang aking nihiling sa inyo dahil tayo ay magkakapwa Pilipino at suportahan nyo bilang isang tunay na Pilipino vlogger. No? Maraming salamat, keep safe, mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood yan. Salamat po sa inyo.